Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a super quick and reliable method for getting the first day of the current month in Google Sheets, practically in an instant. If you keep spreadsheets for tracking budgets, planning schedules, or just love organizing data, knowing this trick will save you time and keep your sheets accurate and up to date. So by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a handy formula at your fingertips and you'll know exactly how and why it works. Alright, let's jump right in. First things first, open up your Google Sheets. You can start a new sheet or use an existing one, whatever you prefer. If you're working with a lot of information, maybe for a report or a monthly summary, go ahead and select the cell where you'd like the first day of the month to appear. You could put this anywhere, in a header row next to your data, even on a reference sheet if you're building something more complicated. Now here comes the heart of this tutorial, the formula itself. In that selected cell, type out equals EOMONTH today minus 1 plus 1. Let's break down why this works so you really understand what's happening behind the scenes. The today function always grabs the current date, no matter when you open the spreadsheet, so it gives you today's date every time. Then inside the EOMONTH function, we take today and say minus 1. What that does is look back 1 month, and this is the helpful part, it actually returns the very last day of that previous asterisk month. For example, if today is March 18th, EOMONTH would shoot back to February, and specifically to February 28th or 29th, depending on the year. But we want the first asterisk day of the current month, right? That's where plus 1 comes in. By simply adding 1, you move from the last day of the previous month directly to the first day of this month. It's a neat little workaround. Instead of fussing with month or year calculations, you're just shifting forward a single day. If you've ever tried manually figuring out the first of the month, especially with varying months and leap years, you know things can get messy. This formula solves that, keeping things accurate no matter what the calendar looks like. After you press enter, take a peek at your result. You'll see the first day of the current month pop up, formatted as a date. If it's not displaying quite how you want, you can click Format, then Number and Date, or use a custom format to make it fit your needs, maybe MMMDDYYYY for June 1, 2024, for example. And that's really all there is to it. No more mental gymnastics or set-and-forget scripts. This formula keeps updating as the months roll over, so every time you open up your sheet, it'll be pointing at the right day. Super helpful if you're tracking anything that resets monthly, like expenses, goals, or team reports. If you got stuck at any point, don't worry, just retrace your steps, double-check your formula, and try again. With a bit of practice, it'll become second nature. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tip useful, give the video a like, and if you have any questions or want to see more Google Sheets tricks, drop a comment down below. I love helping you out. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a tutorial. See you in the next video.